Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in Canva. It's a very quick and simple step. All you have to do is follow along. So in order to change aspect ratio, so suppose here this is the project you're going to work on, this over here. Let's say we want to change the aspect ratio of this document or the page. In order to do that, you have to go to the top bar and go to this resize option and hit that resize option again and scroll all the way down. And so normally there are so many options, like you can customize into the Instagram story and stuff. Let's go to the customize size, and here you can give your own size, like width, height and unit. So yeah, let's change into, let's say, 1,000. Maybe we're gonna make it a square, so let's give it a equal size. You gotta do it by yourself according to your own preference. So let's hit enter. And yeah, that is how you change the aspect ratio. So unfortunately, resize, transfer and translate your design with Canva Pro, it says that you have to have the Canva Pro option, but don't worry. You can do this if you have Canva Pro, but if you do not have Canva Pro, there's another option. You can simply go to the home. Yeah, this is home. And before even designing the project, you can simply go to this custom size over here and give your ratio over here. Let's the same one, and maybe 250. I don't know, let's do that and hit create new design. Aspect ratio without needing the Canva Pro account. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.